Hello friends, so in this video we are going to look at the for loop example. So let's try to understand the syntax first, then we will run it and debug it and see how one step after the other the for loop is executed. So this is one example. Um, so in the for loop, you write the for keyword, which is a C# reserved keyword. Integer is the type of variable we are declaring, and this section. So there are three sections: the initializer section, separated by a semicolon; the conditional expression section; and the initializer section. So here we are just using one variable I, and we are letting it go all the way until the value of I is less than 5, and after executing every block we are incrementing it by 1. Plus is a shorthand of I is equal to I plus 1. You can also write it like this. So here in this section we are saying that add 1 to the existing value of I. So if it is 0, it's going to become 1. If it is 1, it's going to become 2. Um, so this is it. This is the syntax for while loop. Let's try to run it and see what is the output. Um, there you go. So you can see that uh, it printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It didn't print 5 because 5 is not less than 5, so it didn't execute this line, and the method completed. So now we will go and see how the for loop gets executed step by step. So close this window and click on start, and then either you can press F10 or you can click on this button. So now it is initializing I to 0. Now it's in the condition expression uh, section. Here it is checking I is less than 5, I is 0, and it is less than 5. So this is going to become true. And after this, it is going to execute this statement block. So it's starting to execute the statement block. Uh, let's see if I can bring that window here. And see, 0 got printed, and now it's closing the statement block. Um, After that, it will increment this is the incrementation section. Uh, it's adding value 1 to I. So it will keep doing like this. Note that in the second iteration, it didn't need to go here because this is the starting point, and to continue until the end, it just needs these condition section and the um, iteration section to be executed. So let's see. So it is, how much is I now? It is 1. It's 2 now. It executed the console.writeLine. Now it's incremented to 3, and now it's right now it is 3, and now it is at 4. 4 is still 4 is less than 5. This will return true. So it is still okay to go. So it prints it, and now I is less than I is equal to 5. 5 is not less than 5. This will return false. And look at the output window. We have printed till 4. And let's see if it executes this one. So it didn't, it exited. So this is how you control how long your for loop will run. Um, so we looked at the syntax of for loop. It has the for keyword, the parentheses, the statement block, the section for initializing your variables to start off the loop. This section is the conditional expression section where it checks whether you are still good to execute the statement block, and this is the section that get executed after each iteration to uh, continue doing this thing again and again. There is one more way you can initialize. It's not necessary that you have to write the initializer inside here. You can also declare your variables outside. For example, here I'm saying I'm declaring I outside the loop. Even I can assign a value to it. Let's do it like this so that you will know that you can leave that section completely empty and it will still run fine. So here the initializer is outside the for loop, and now let's try to run it and see what's the output. So it's the same, it doesn't make any difference. So this is also another way you can write the for loop. Thank you for watching, folks. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.